Hello everyone, welcome back. We are gonna make a small table. I got these really pretty flowers. They're fake poinsettias. I got some pine cones from out in my yard. Spray painted them all white. And I have this stuff I got from the Dollar Tree. We'll see how that works. But I am using some of the deep pour epoxy from Bondcrafter. It comes with 2 bottles of this, of the A, 1 bottle of the B. You know, they sent the stir sticks and gloves and little scraper. You know, they're amazing, and they send all that stuff. So I appreciate them sending that, and let's see how this deep pour works. I've already got some mixed up. It is so liquidy. I thought it was water. It's amazing. I've never seen such thin resin. You mix it at a 2-to-1 ratio. So I mixed in these 3 cups. I put 200 of A and 100 of B in each of these and mixed them up. Put them in the vacuum chamber, although they didn't need it. You know, they were dissipating as I was letting it just sit there. I need to decide what I want to do with these little flowers. Okay, how do we want to, do I just want to use the tops? And cut them down a little ways first. Okay, there's that. Let's get these out, and of course I get all kinds of stuff in there. So let me wipe that out real quick. I've made one of these before. It's been probably a year and a half or so. But I used the pine cones then too and painted them white. I really like using the pine cones, you know. They're out of my own yard, and I think it's really neat. And I had this super cool bear sticker, so I might show you that here in a little while. Do I want to use some of this tubing? You know, is this going to make 10 jillion bubbles? I mean, it probably will. Let me get my pine cones in. Let me get a little resin in first. I mixed up these 3 cups, you know, 900 grams. I'll definitely have to mix up more, I'm sure, but we'll get this in here and just get started. We'll get some more in there. Got little pieces falling off, so if I can pay attention, I can get it out. I had some of the pine needles, but I didn't. I had them in my first table thing I made, but I did not have any for this one. I mean, there's some out there, but I just thought leave them out this time. I can keep going over, keep coating them. You know, every so often, you know, I'm gonna have one of these. So I'll probably cut that off. I think I got this big tray mold off Amazon. I know when I originally got it, it had like a warp in it. And letting it sit this whole time, it's like that warp is gone now. So I'm happy that when I got it out, it wasn't still all warped up, because I want it to be nice. And there's only a couple spots I really see bubbles. I mean, I do see little things floating around. Awesome, I love it. I could put some of this magic opal in there, because I really do like it, and I actually might, so. You know, you don't have to put a ton in, but I can put it here and there if I want. I feel like I only make tables when it's cold outside or wintertime. But, you know, you can make summer scenes or fall scenes or whatever it is you like, you know. But I'm not going to bring my other one and show you until I get this one done, because I don't want to drop anything in it or do anything dumb, make a mess, because I could see me doing something goofy like that. Sweet. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's really pretty. And I might have so many flowers on it later it hides it. I don't know. But anyway, that's how it is for now. Okay, I decided I'm going to do something. I'm going to move some of these pine cones around a little bit. And I wanted to go ahead and put some of these flowers in there. So I'm trying to cut off the bottoms a little more. And part of my gloves. Oh, I needed to cut the bottom off more. Ugh, Amy. Goofy. Goofy, goofy. I'll pick it out of there. Let me cut it. Okay. Oh, no. The bottom fell off. Ah. Okay. Ugh. Well, do I even need that in there now? No. I guess not. Goodness gracious. The flower could fall apart though, you know? Yeah, it did. It fell apart. Okay, there's one flower gone. I gotta be careful when I'm cutting it, for sure. Well, maybe it should be up on the pine cone like that to hold it steady. Like a couple small ones. I'm just making it descend. Thank goodness I put those sparkles in there. Gracious. No, that's not gonna work. I don't want it. I'll UV some of that down after this all cures. Was that enough flowers? I feel like I could do one more right here with a small one beside it. So let's do that. Oh. Oh, I love that. So I might put another one right here. Just because I absolutely, oh my gosh, love it. Oh, I had it in my fingers. I forgot where I said I wanted another one. Ooh, yes, I love it. Oh, oh, I'm so glad I put that one in there too. But anyone can use this. It's so easy. Okay, let's put this guy right here. I'm gonna try to squish this all down the other way. Maybe make it flat. Flatter anyway. Okay, that's okay. Like I said, when this cures, I'll push those petals down and UV them to whatever's close to them. So, there's my Pinecone and poinsettia. How do you say it? Poinsettia? Poinsettia? I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. But, yeah, sweet. Okay, guys. Now, I promise, I'm going to go and let this cure. And it's okay if you want to change your mind 1,000 times. You've seen me do it. Or making balloons or whatever I'm doing. If I decide to do something different, you change it up, which is totally okay. So I'm going to cover this back up with my little amazing filter that I have. Sweet, guys. Nice. All right. See you later. Bye. Okay, guys. I got my last one for the day that I'm going to do here, because when I do a top coat, there's not going to have no sparkles in it, you know, because it floats up and I don't want that on the top. So let's pour this last one in here for now. And then we will come back and put a little more on. And you don't even have to have yours this deep. You know what I mean? You can have it as deep as you want. You can have it even deeper. You could have it all the way to the top. And it looks like I'm heading there. But I'm just making this for myself. I'm making it how I want it, you know? So I'm very excited. It's almost going to give me that Christmas vibe all year long. And that's my favorite time of year, you know. That's the most amazing feeling I can even begin to explain. You know, giving and being kind to others. Tina had said the other day, you know, be kind to others and, you know, do unto others as you want them to do unto you. And that is my absolute favorite Bible verse of all time. And I definitely live by that too. And try to be as kind as I possibly can to everybody. So, anyway, I don't know how I got on that subject, but I must have needed to say it. But anyway, I love this. I think it's awesome. I'll let this cure. I'm going to hit it with a heat gun again here in just a little while. But, oh my gosh, I love it. My other one has a white bottom on it, so you can't see through it, and I wish I would have done that for this one. This one's going to be totally clear at the bottom. I wish I would have done more sparkles now. You know, I don't know if they'll... I'm trying to get them to sink some, so... I'm about out of sparkles. Oh, I do have some of this snowy surprise. I might add some of it. It's just some I got from Walmart, but I really like it. Forgot I had it sitting there. I would put that all over the bottom. You know what I mean? Oh, yes. I love that. Okay, guys. I'll let this cure and I'll see you in a little while. Bye. All right, guys. I got a top coat on it. And here it is. I think it's beautiful. I probably got it out a little early. My edges are still a little, you know, not super cured. But I'll let it sit out here, cure all the way. I'll probably sand around the edges and put a top coat on it. But let me show you that other one I had also done. This is one I had done previously. Probably a year and a half ago. But you can see right here, that's where it was kind of folded and bowed right there. Sorry, my camera's shaking, but yeah, I really love this one, and I sanded the edges on this and put a top coat on it, and that's what I'll do to this one too. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you try the Bond Crafter Deep Pour Epoxy. It's beautiful. I couldn't be happier. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. See ya.